As part of a 3-day visit to France, PM Modi, along with French President Emmanuel Macron, arrived in Marseille after the successful co-hosting of the AI Summit in Paris. During their visit, PM Modi and President Macron will inaugurate the new Indian consulate in Marseille. They will also pay their respects to Indian soldiers who sacrificed their lives in World War I and II at the Mazarg War Cemetery. Notably, after reaching Marseille, PM Modi had shared his thoughts on X, highlighting the city's significance in India's history. He said that it was here that the great freedom fighter Veer Savarkar attempted a daring escape, and the people of Marseille played a crucial role in demanding his protection from British authorities. Therefore, this gesture of paying tributes by PM Modi and Macron underscores the long-standing ties between India and France, as well as India's deep respect for its fallen heroes. The two leaders will then visit the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, that is ITER, in Marseille, which is a cutting-edge fusion technology project aiming to harness energy for global benefit. But why does Marseille matter to India? Well, Marseille's strategic location as a Mediterranean gateway makes it a vital trade hub between India and Europe. The city plays an essential role in the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor, that is IMEC, which is a major infrastructure project aimed at connecting India's western coast to Europe through West Asia. Marseille's port, which is the largest in France, is crucial for trade and connectivity. Additionally, the port serves as a telecommunications hub, handling submarine cables that carry vast amounts of global data traffic. Therefore, PM Modi's visit to Marseille highlights India's growing diplomatic presence and deepening ties with France. With the inauguration of the consulate and the strengthening of trade routes, this trip marks another milestone in the evolving India-France relationship.